Ping, that was mine. Ping, ping.
Let's blow up the bridge!
Oh my.
Guess we have to use those boats.
What the fuck?
Oh, the bridge is still intact, actually.
What the hell is going on, boys?
3132, are you assaulting the bunkers now, over?
Oh, what the hell?
Right, 3-2, we're just gonna have to keep moving. Axis will be 060, 060, we'll push up on a walk, extended line.
How? This is our only way of crossing into the mainland. Oh man. Is that guy?
Got a sighting in
think
the
he's
town
dead already.
northwest, multiple infantry moving
town.
around.
The town, our objective is this side of the bridge.
This side of the bridge. Fuck that.
Guys, sack off the town, we're heading east.
East.
We got friendlies already securing those two bunker systems now, safe to jog up.
Right, okay, we'll just jog up on the 3-1.
This is so dodge.
Section, fucking full left, cross the river, enemy bunker position, follow the right hand side of the road. It
Cross the
flashes,
river.
fucking up, rapid fire.
Ah, there's mine. Ah, I think someone else got that.
Get set up on the road.
That's been dealt with. Oh shit. I missed the kills there.
Spartan, make to your left, you've got some support from the rocks here. 3-2, get rapid fire onto those bunker positions.
I wonder if there's any more that, like... Oh shit! That was a fucking headshot right there.
Yes.
What's another one? Boink.
Got no more eyes on further enemy occupied positions.
Section, take it down to watch and shoot. Watch and shoot.
Oh. Didn't realise this was like under.
Back on. Those boats right in front of me, Ben. Right, 3-2. There's going to be fire support for another minute. We're going to be the first to move. We're going to get into the boats on our right. We're going to push across the river, get into those trench-like bunker positions on the left-hand side of the bridge. We're going to be the foothold for the rest of the platoon.
Oh my god, they're actually using the boats. It's gonna be hilarious.
Right, Delta, let's peel down to the boats. Let's get in the furthest fucking right-hand boat. Let's move.
Hold on, where are these boats at? Oh shit. My whole squad is down here.
Mac Rick's way up. Right, Delta, let's go. I'm pushing across the river now, Ben. Let's go, Charlie.
Oh my god. Who's driving this bad boy? I'll drive it.
That's the last one in.
Wait one.
Wait one. Except Spartan.
Wait! Wait!
Shit. We good?
Go!
I'm pretty sure I ran that guy over.
Have to met myself.
Sorry, Spartan. Your character just jumped in the boat and called you in.
Rapid fire.
Push up on Delta's left.
Approach.
Slow it down.
Wait for Charlie.
Out trips. Put the rounds down, dude!
Magazine!
Charlie, let's move.
Delta, let's go round the right-hand side! Right-hand side!
Charlie, follow on Delta.
Roch.
Oh, shit.
Yep, staying up.
Go again, go left.
Charlie, set up outside. We'll secure this position.
Hold on. Yep, we can get it. Going right, going right.
Taking the left with you.
Call it up once that bunker's secure.
Bunker clear. Bunker secure.
Sir Alpha 3-2, bunker position on the left-hand side of the bridge to secure, marking with blue smoke, over.
Right lads, let's just get in here and hold position.
I need I'm injured.
Everybody, let's get in this fucking bunker and let's get eyes out into the tank.
I can't get back to you, mate. Behind you, Rosa.
Oh, yep.
Just up.
Right lads, just get arcs out to the fucking north and to the west and east and get me an AMCAS as quick as possible.
I'm cast in fucking combat here, mate.
I'm going to be too soon. I'm going to be too soon.
Roger, can you get
Magazine.
straight on Mac?
Yeah, come in the bunker, mate.
I'm in the bunker.
Let me through.
Can you guys move to the back if you're getting medicked up?
Who's that?
Yeah mate, you're just in the fucking wall here.
Working your legs, mate. I'm working on your body.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You're looking in totally the wrong direction. You want to be looking out to the east. You've got your back to the fucking wall and you're looking into the bunker.
Start fighting out to secure the beachhead here.
That was like some Normandy shit.
Shit, what is that? Oh, it's a bush.
Sets up that fucking road by the sound of things, lads.
Yeah, I can't see anything yet.
To the north.
Yes, mate. Keep massive eyes up there, chaps. See any cunts sing out.
Take that as a move.
Reeps, you fucking squared away or what, mate?
Yeah, mate. Just looking east.
That was some Normandy shit right there. Oh boy.
Now you are.
My character must be having an iffy.
What's our AMCAS looking like,
AMCAS, chaps.
I've got 900, but I'm 2-3 possibly now.
Alright, Macus T2, buddy, we're good to move for now.
Alright, that's you done, mate.
Okay.
You're gonna need fluff though. Whenever we get there.
Yeah.
Rest of you, please.
Got 5 so far.
This new weapon resting is pretty neat. Pretty neat.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, there's only fucking 6 of us. Spartan, how you doing?
I'm alright.
There's some PKM shit up there. I can hear it.
That was a pretty cool assault.
Yeah.
What's your
Yeah.
AM stat? What's your AMCAS state?
Hello.
I can't believe I misran my section commander.
Left your channel. User joined your channel.
Yes.
Like-
Imagine
was all
if you
planned.
had to swim.
Roger, what's your AMCAS state, mate?
I'm 9 on K, mate.
Roger.
So is that just one T2 we've got then?
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to rebomb